Behind the design, dress shell shape. This client needed a custom orthotic to focus on footwear fit for a hard-to-fit footwear style. Ensuring correct fit would help with patient compliance and satisfaction. The aim of this orthotic was to focus on the footwear fit, with all prescription variables chosen for this aim. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the dress shell shape from the digital corrections section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include the aim to create a very low profile device, including a low heel cup and tapered medial and lateral sides. It is recommended to be combined with intrinsic variables to keep a low profile design, including an intrinsic rear foot post, medial or lateral heel skives, intrinsic forefoot posting, and other intrinsic variables. Orthotip. The dress shell shape can be used to help with footwear fit, including hard-to-fit footwear styles like football boots, cycling cleats, dress shoes, and fashion shoes. This helps with patient satisfaction and compliance when they can wear the shoes they want to. Other prescription variables that can assist with hard-to-fit footwear include the use of as many intrinsic variables as possible, including intrinsic rear foot posts, medial heel skives, lateral heel skives, shell shapes including medial negative tapers, narrow shell width, narrow heel cup width, thin shell materials, and cover lengths, including to sulcus or to shell.